Alright, so y'all got it from the man himself, Mr. Holloway Experience. Hey. Alright, what up, you guys? Southern Smoke. Back at it again today, baby. So today I got my favorite thing, man. I'm gonna be cooking these up for my realtor. I've been promising him ever since, you know, he helped me get this wonderful, beautiful house for my family. Hey, shout out to the Charles Holloway Experience. Hey, you guys, if you're in the Hampton Roads and need to buy a house, hey, go check them out, man. Alright, so what I'm gonna start off with is putting a little extra virgin olive oil on these ribs and just rubbing it down on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub it down with that olive oil. You guys, I already pulled the milk brain off here if you guys are wondering that. Y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do that. I done did that in a couple videos, so no need to. Alright, so check this out. This is what I'm gonna do. I got my all-purpose, you know, my favorite dry rub that I make up myself. I'm gonna just sprinkle it all over there, man. You guys can see how that olive oil really helping that dry rub stick to it, man. Just go. Okay, let's flip it over. Okay, I'm gonna put olive oil on the other side now. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and hit this side the same way with the dry rub. Pat it on there like we did the back side. There's a reason why I do the front, the meaty part last, because it's like the back side, the bones like, you know, stick up, so I do that side last. You know, first I do the bone side first, so we can get the meaty side last. So we don't have to worry about all your dry rub coming off back on your whatever you're using, like me coming back on my cutting board. Alright, you guys, I got my smoker heated up already outside to about 235. Let's get ready to go out there and go put them on. We're gonna put them over here to the far side of the smoke box. Ooh, just look at that pretty thing neat on there. Alright, let's go ahead and close it up. We'll come back and check in about an hour and a half and spritz it down. So you guys, I get a lot of questions of what I spritz my meat with. So I use apple cider vinegar and just some apple juice. So I'm gonna pour in my spray bottle some apple juice and some apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar, I think it really makes it tender. I think apple cider vinegar makes your meat tender. And the apple juice is so that apple cider vinegar is not too tangy and it gives that little sweetness. You can even add a little honey too, if you want to do that. So I'm gonna put just about that much apple juice, which that's about a 1/4 cup. I'm gonna put a cup of apple juice in there. You guys, and we just gonna shake it up. Shake it up, and there you go, you have it. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and check on our baby back ribs. Let me go ahead and spritz them down. They've been on for an hour and a half. All right, you guys, we're gonna come back in an hour and we go wrap them up. All right, you guys, so we about 3 hours into our cook now. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to wrap our baby back ribs. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pick it up, put it face down. I'm gonna put some apple juice on here. I'm getting it wrapped just in time, you guys, because it's just now starting to get a little raindrops, but it's still good to cook on. Go ahead and wrap this bad boy up, just like that. Let me go ahead and grab this next one. A little smaller one. We'll go ahead and do the exact same thing. Go ahead and start folding these guys. See, the apple juice went everywhere. That's why I start folding it a little. I want to make sure we have enough in there to put out some steam. It's just that apple juice and apple cider vinegar I mixed up together. Just using the rest of it. Go on here. Okay. Go ahead and put it in there. Put them far back from the fire. Let them just smoke on down. Close up. Okay, you guys, they've been wrapped for about an hour and a half, so go get ready to pull them out the wrap and go ahead and sauce them down. Let that nice glaze get on there. Go ahead and pull that bad boy out. Look at that. That's how you want it. It can just about break, but you don't want it to break, you know. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna leave one in sauce today. All right, we're gonna let that sit for about 15-20 minutes, about 15 minutes, and let that glaze get nice formed on there, get that caramelized color. Stay tuned, you guys. All right, so the baby back ribs are finally off, man. So, hey, you know, sorry you guys, I couldn't take y'all outside because it was started pouring rain. I didn't want to ruin the camera, but hey, I was able to get the ribs off. So now I'm about to go ahead and get them cut up and put them in the plate and take them over to my realtor. So hopefully this video will continue on, and my realtor will be able to let you know how these ribs taste so amazing, you guys. I just can't explain it through YouTube. You can only taste it. Man, you'll probably smack yourself or bite your tongue. But if not, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching and tuning in to this video. Be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, like a couple of my pictures, or drop a little comments, some things you guys like to see. Hey, I'm almost at 10K if I'm not already there by now. By the time this video goes up. Hey, thanks you guys, the family, for helping me reach to that 10K. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out. All right, so y'all got it from the man himself, Mr. Holloway Experience. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Then we got the the best. You know, Maria, we say Maria for last.
Oh,
She gonna let y'all know who I need. Hey, she is go-to person, I'm telling you.
Good.
Hold on, I ain't get my spoon, my bean.
You get your
I gotta hurry up and keep you about this glass here.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Oh yeah. You was holding out on us,
Look
Doc.
at me, look at my finger, okay?
Hey, just let them know, Charles, where they can go check you out at.
Oh, Holloway
Hey.
experience. Oh man.
Let them know about that Holloway experience. I already told them a little bit about it.
I mean, the best real estate experience in the world, man. You know? So good, we get a plate of ribs, man. I'm speechless, man. Hold on.
I know.
The bio will be at the bottom. I got
Look, you know, Bree, he was out there in the rain trying to get them ready for you.
Oh, you can taste it. Definitely.
This is similar to the Holloway experience, made with love right here, Maria. Between us like family right here. That's
hey,
what
we all, you know,
This
we
is
family.
what family do.
That's how we talk. As soon
Family.
as y'all leave, I'm gonna finish eating the rest of these.
Oh, man.
Nice, refreshing Dr. Pepper, Maria.
Yes.
Everybody like Dr. Pepper. You can't go wrong with Dr. Pepper. Hey, so this is the best right here in Hampton Roads right here, y'all. If y'all in Hampton Roads, y'all looking for a house, hey, just get at them two right there.
757-727-3887. Again, 757-727-3887.
Y'all heard it from the man himself.
Woo.
Hey, thanks you guys.
Oh, you're certainly welcome.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.